In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the message sort order in your inbox. If you want to organize your messages in a way that makes more sense for how you work, this is a quick and useful setting to know. By default, many inboxes are sorted by date, which means the newest or oldest messages appear in a particular order, but sometimes that is not the most helpful view. You may want to group messages by sender, sort them by subject, or even arrange them by size so it is easier to spot larger emails. To do this, start at the top of your message list and look for the option labeled Arrange By. In most cases, this will currently be set to date. Click on Arrange By to open the sorting choices available to you. Once the menu appears, select the sort type you want. For example, you can change it from date to sender if you want messages grouped according to who sent them. You can choose subject if you prefer to organize your inbox alphabetically by topic, or size if you want to review messages based on how large they are. Depending on the platform, you may also see other sorting options, but the process is the same. Just click the one that best fits what you need. After selecting a new sort option, your message list will immediately update. This makes it easy to test different views and find the one that helps you work more efficiently. If the order is not quite right, click the same setting again to reverse it. For example, if you are sorting by date, clicking again can switch between newest first and oldest first. The same idea applies to other categories as well, letting you toggle the direction of the sort. If you are using the web version, the process is very similar. At the top of the message list, look for the same drop-down menu and use it to choose the sort order you want. The layout may look slightly different depending on your browser or mailbox view, but the control works in essentially the same way. A good tip here is to choose the sorting method based on the task you are doing. Date is usually best for keeping up with recent activity, sender is helpful when tracking conversations from specific people, and size can be useful when cleaning up storage. Once you know where the Arrange By menu is, switching between these views only takes a few seconds.